Hey, what's up everybody? We're going to show you how we cook our dinner. So we use everything. We use the rubbish from our packing, the wood from our wood carving, and some branches that we pull out. And we have our trusty flamethrower. So we're going to make a base with all this paper. And then we're going to layer on some branches. And then we put on our wood. We put the small pieces first, the thin cutouts, the little chunks. And then we put the big boys on. And then we get out our handy blowtorch. One of our favorite tools here. Open the gas up. We have fire. So we're going to let this go for a little while. Throw on some more of these small pieces. Maybe some more branches. Because we don't want to be here all day waiting for this thing to burn. Oh, this one's kind of wet. And we'll come back in a few minutes. Okay, the fire is going pretty good. We're using a lot of avocado wood, so avocado wood burns really fast. So if we had like kiawe or ohia, we'd let the flames die down a bit, but these avocado wood logs are gonna die really quickly. So we're going to put the pan on while the flames are still coming up. Oh, this one big boys. This one log's a little bit too big. There we go. Heat up the pan. A little bit of water in there. It's one of our favorite cooking tools, our cast iron skillet. Put in some oil. And we just wait. Okay, we're going to start with our chicken. What we do is we're going to make 2 slices right alongside the bone. Run our fillet knife through. Cut that. So we can make it almost like a butterfly cut. Open it up. We like it this way because it fries a lot better. So just cut right alongside the bone, run your knife under the bone, come up and just pull it out. It's a nice handle to grab onto when you eat it. Okay, let's give one a try. See how the oil's doing. We'll take the small one. Perfect. We're gonna do skin side down first. Oh, it's looking good already. So we're going to be turning this quite often, probably about every minute. And we'll see when it gets a little bit more done. Well, the fire is going good. The reason why is we're getting a wind that's blowing off the ocean, going a little bit from north to the south. So it's blowing right through our hibachi here. So that's why the wood's going to burn out really quickly. Oh, check that out, looking good. We don't use any batter. What we do is we fry this twice. So we're gonna pull it out, let it rest for a little bit. And we're gonna start our pork. So I'm gonna put the pork in. Again, no batter. And we're gonna end up doing the same thing. We're gonna flip the pork a lot quicker, a lot more often. And then after the pork goes to rest, the chicken will go back in. Okay, you can see the pork's coming nice and golden brown. It's going to come out pretty soon. You can see the avocado wood just really breaking down really fast. That's why this guy, for wood turning, is hard to turn when it's really dry. We get a lot of tear out. But that's for another video. Oh, almost. Looking good. Okay, it's time to pull out the pork. And the chicken's going back in for its second fry. Again, we're starting skin side down. And we're going to turn it a lot faster now. Because we don't want it to get burned. It's almost done. Couple more turns. And then when we pull it out, it'll go for its final rest, and then the pork goes in. Okay, getting ready to pull this guy out. Yep, that looks perfect. These guys are done. So we'll let this rest while the pork goes in. We'll be turning these really often. We don't want them all black. You see the color? Some of that's coming from the material at the bottom of the pan. That's why if you just left it, it'll just turn black, which we don't want. We're looking for that brown right there. And I think we're pretty much done. This guy looks perf. This guy I'm going to do one more time. You can see how the bubbles are dropping because the fire is really dropping. Again, that's the avocado wood just burning out really quickly. Let's check the color on this side. Perfect. And that's it. A lot of food for our Saturday dinner.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're gonna make our salad now. So we planted this moringa plant, and they said you can eat the seeds and the leaves, make a salad. You can even eat the flowers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick some of the leaves. And you just take these off the branches and put it in your salad. And I'm gonna take some of these flowers as well. And put it in our salad. Okay, so now we're back in the kitchen. So I'm gonna make the salads. We have different vegetables we harvested today in our garden in Ocean View. So we have some lettuce. Not sure exactly what type of lettuce it is, but it's really good. And then we also have mizuna, which is a kind of like a mustardy taste. It's a bitter leaf, but I like it mixed in with the regular lettuce. And then we're gonna add some of the moringa leaves and the flowers to top it off. So I usually do initial rinse just to get all the dirt and debris off of the leaves, so that it doesn't end up in our salad. And then I just rough tear it. Even the stalks, we eat the stalks. Try not to waste any of it. Some of the leaves are sunburnt, or it's like getting to the point where it's a little bit old, but it's still edible and still good, so might as well make use of it. So you can add whatever. We usually just mix it up with the lettuce and the mizuna, and then you can just like pull off these leaves. And it's so small that can't really taste it, but it's supposed to be very nutritional. You can mix that in. And then finally we top it off to make it pretty. You can just take some of these flowers and arrange it how you like. And that's going to be our salad for tonight.
Okay, we're gonna cut up the pork. This is actually a knife block that we made out of ohia. We planed it, put magnets in the back, and mounted it on our wall because we don't have a lot of space. So now we're gonna cut up the pork. We're gonna cut it really thin. Oh, looks perfect. And we're gonna eat this with a tonkatsu sauce. We're not making the sauce, that's bottled. We bought it from the Ocean View Market. Really like this knife. Picked it up off of Amazon. That's the best part, the ends. The ends and the part with the fat. Okay, almost done. And now we'll plate it. We made this out of avocado wood. This guy is, we hand carved. So we're just gonna lay everything out. There's no presentation score here, just get it on there because we're hungry, need to eat. Did a lot of yard work today because our lawnmower broke and we had to weed whack the whole area. So there's our pork. We're gonna add our chicken. We have our salad already. Take it to our table. And there we go. It's time for grinds. So, thanks for watching and aloha.